Want to create a unique image but don't know how to do that? No worry, today I'll share with you the way to create printed photo effect. After you open your image, there are key combinations to shorten your workflow. Let me explain one by one. Ctrl or Command J is for a duplicate layer. Ctrl or Command Shift U is to remove all colors from image to black and white. Ctrl or Command I is for reverse. Next, change blend mode from normal to color dodge. Head to Filter, Order, Minimum. The more pixels you add, the more detail you will get. Let's set it around 2 pixels. Merge both layers with Ctrl or Command E and change to soft light in blend mode. First step is done. Now, create a solid color and fill it with the color of old paper. Change blend mode to multiply. Create a new layer. Fill it with white by pressing Ctrl or Command Delete. Make sure the background is in white. Then change to Lightning Burn in blend mode. Go to Filter, Filter Gallery. In Texture folder, select Texturizer. You can choose texture that you want. Let's try with Bird Lab. Scaling 85%, Relief 5, Light, Top Left, and Confirm. Done! How do you think about this effect? If you like Photoshop and photograph just like SADESIGN and you want to get more and more tips, techniques, experience from us, make sure to subscribe our channel to simply clicking the subscribe button, and you will get tons of free tutorials that SADESIGN share about Photoshop technique on a daily basis.